Lieutenant General J.S. Nain, Officer Commanding in Chief, Southern Command, Lieutenant General Asit Mistry, Commandant, National Defense Academy, Deputy Commandant, members of the faculty and staff, cadets on parade, proud parents and relatives, distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. I am greatly honored to review the passing out parade of the 141st course of the National Defense Academy. A little over 42 years back, when I stood as a cadet at the same drill square as you stand today, little could I have imagined that one day I shall be reviewing this magnificent parade. Your precise drill movements and flawless display have charged up the drill square and filled our hearts with pride. It brings to mind that the more things change, the more they remain the same. Even as the fly past is a testament to the changing character of war, the parade is a testimony to the fact that boots on ground are as relevant today as they were 4 decades ago. To the proud parents and relatives, I share your joy and immense happiness on this occasion. I wish to thank each and every one of you for deeming the armed forces as a worthy carrier for your children. These fine young men of strong resolve and character bear testimony to your years of hard work and commitment. You have raised them with love and affection. Now, we have taken on that role. They were your children till yesterday. There are ours from now on. जो कल तक आपके बच्चे थे, वो आज से हमारे हैं. We shall nurture them, cherish them, and even admonish them. But we shall always be with them in sun and snow, in bad times and good, in war and in peace. It is an equally proud moment for the instructors and staff at the Academy who have worked day and night to mold you into responsible professionals who shall uphold the sovereignty and territorial integrity of our nation across land, sea, and air. They have steered you during this acutely challenging period of the pandemic to ensure that you meet the highest standards of the armed forces. Going on, as we open the portals of the National Defense Academy to women cadets, I expect you all to welcome them with the same sense of fair play and professionalism that the Indian Armed Forces are known for the world over. The National Defense Academy is a cradle for leadership and jointmanship for the armed forces of the nation. This foundational training at the Academy is rooted in the very best of tri-service ethos, practices, and traditions. The bonds of camaraderie forged at the Academy have withstood the test of time. Today, as you stand to inherit this rich and illustrious legacy of courage and valor, be reminded of the Academy motto, service before self, that must remain your guiding mantra for times to come. From here on, you shall step into your respective service academies for more focused military training. You shall don different uniforms, but always remember that no single service by itself can fight and win modern wars. As you rise in rank and responsibility, learn to appreciate each other's strengths and capabilities. The bonds that you have formed here need to be continuously nurtured, not just socially, but also in the professional arena. During the course of your careers, there will be many trials and tribulations, joys and sorrows. If you can face each of these struggles with equanimity and emerge stronger and wiser, you will have indeed lived up to the expectations and the trust reposed in you. Always be true to yourself, for, and I quote, when you get what you want in the struggle for self, and the world makes you king for a day, then go to the mirror and look at yourself and see what that man has to say, unquote. Another important matter which I want to impress upon you is your professional development. As cadets, we often harbor the impression that serious studies are behind us now. However, new developments in niche technologies are transforming the very character of war faster than ever before. Therefore, it is very important that you keep yourself abreast of these changes through regular professional education. Physical stamina would need to be matched with technical prowess and a constant thirst for knowledge. But knowledge without imagination is no good. In order to keep your mind alert and active, develop interests and hobbies that suit your temperament. It is only by acquiring these qualities that you will be imaginative and be able to think outside the proverbial box. You may soon have to lead your troops in battle. Your soldiers will bestow unflinching trust and faith in your leadership. Strive to learn from their tremendous experience and rise up to the expectations, as no better soldiers exist than these. Remember always that you have to prove that you are worthy of leading them. You don't accept them, they accept you. The armed forces of the nation have always been at the forefront of all challenges. As the ultimate bastion, we simply cannot afford to fail. To uphold this sacred trust of the nation is by no means an easy task. It calls for the highest degree of professionalism and operational preparedness. Young leaders like you have scripted history in faraway lands under extremely challenging circumstances. It is your turn now. Towards this end, I take this opportunity to congratulate the award winners of the Passing Out course. These awards are a recognition of your hard work and professional excellence. My special compliments to the cadets from friendly foreign countries for successfully completing this arduous training at the National Defense Academy. As alumni of this prestigious institution, you shall always remain our ambassadors in your respective countries. I am sure that this connect will further reinforce the strong relations between our countries. Cadets of the Passing Out course, every course has a unique destiny and character. Looking at your radiant faces, I am confident that the 141st course will also script its unique history in times to come. As you march in slow order towards the Antim Pag, remember that this is also the Pehla Kadam to a life of greater responsibility. I wish you good luck and Godspeed. Thank you and Jai Hind.